Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Matanda na sila Ika. Ano ba yan? Matanda na yan. Anyway, happy birthday pinsan. Stay pretty. Stay humble. Stay kulit. Ano pa ba? Sana next year ikakasal ka na, okay? Next year. So, wish ko lang sa'yo, sana long life and happy love life, and then good health to you with your family and your baby makulit. And then ano pa ba? Sana hindi ka sana hindi ka maging matandang dalaga. Kailangan magpapakasal ka na, okay? Sige na. Busy ako. Bye. Happy birthday again.